If one day you want to grow more bougainvillea in your garden, do not rush to buy. Watch this video of mine until the end. You will know how to propagate bougainvillea. And today I will use available bougainvillea cuttings to propagate by cuttings on nutrients from newly bloomed bananas. We must be careful right from the seedling selection stage because it determines whether the bougainvillea tree will be healthy and beautiful later on. I choose bougainvillea branches that are pest-free, mold-free, blooming, growing, and green enough to have enough strength to grow. We use scissors to neatly trim the bougainvillea branches and choose the number of plants we want to propagate. Each plant will later correspond to a branch about 6 centimeters long. I chose 2 branches with eyes on them so that the bougainvillea can germinate and take root when incubated. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. For propagating bougainvillea cuttings, you need to cut deep and clean the buds on the branch. Don't be afraid to cut too deep because they will later become the germination points. With my method of propagation, it is very easy to do. You just need to do it right. The cost is significantly less than buying, and we can take advantage of the time to do it. If you just take a little time and take bougainvillea cuttings, in no time your garden will be filled with bougainvillea. Onions are very effective in caring for and propagating bougainvillea. They can repel insects and help the roots and shoots grow faster and stronger. I rub a clove of onion on the pruning points of the bougainvillea stems when pruning. It helps protect and promote growth of the bougainvillea. And you can use nail polish or candle to paint both ends of the bougainvillea stems to help keep out water and insects. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Before planting, cut the bougainvillea branches to ensure nutrition from the beginning and later growth. I will stick the bougainvillea branches into the aloe vera plant. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, aloe vera also stimulates rooting and germination, increases absorption capacity and resistance to pests and diseases. And now the most important thing in propagating bougainvillea is the newly bloomed green banana fruit. I use green bananas when growing bougainvillea because they provide nutrients for the plant, are easy to decompose, repel insects, and save on growing costs. We cut the newly hatched bananas into small slices, put them in a blender and puree them. When we puree newly hatched green bananas with water, the bananas will easily release nutrients and minerals into the water, helping the bougainvillea cuttings absorb nutrients more easily. and we can put the mashed bananas in the appropriate nursery pot according to our needs and start growing bougainvillea branches. Two hours later, we can start wrapping the bougainvillea stems in the mashed banana. I would plant 2 bougainvillea stems on either side of a suitable pot and use sterilized coconut coir to lightly cover the surface of the pot. Cover the pot with a thin layer of coconut fiber to help keep the bougainvillea moist and avoid direct exposure to harsh sunlight. Then we leave the nursery pot in a cool place. After 5 days of planting, the bougainvillea branches have sprouted healthily. Now we can check and plant them in suitable pots. With proper stimulation, bougainvillea cuttings will sprout vigorously and produce many white roots. We need to make drainage holes in the pot to avoid waterlogging, and this time I used sand to plant the bougainvillea in the pot. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After planting, we water the plants to provide enough moisture for the plants to grow. Bougainvillea is a beautiful, colorful flower that is easy to propagate and grow anywhere. Therefore, we just need to propagate properly to get quality seedlings. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. In just a short time, I had a beautiful little pot of bougainvillea in my garden. Don't you think it's wonderful?